Alright, your boy from Puerto Rico, Atavex. It's gonna be a sound test on these both of these rifles. I'm gonna do this sound test. I'm not gonna put a pellet in the breech area, but I'm gonna shoot it only air, but with a heavier pellet. It should be more quiet. I wanted you guys to hear both of these rifles. These rifles are gorgeous, both of them. My Benjamin on the bottom and my Hatsan on the top. All right, I'm gonna turn off the fan. I want you guys to listen to my Marauder. I'm gonna point it towards a safe area and I'm gonna shoot it. Let me grab it right. Hold up. Let me put it on top of the pillows here real quick. Grab it right. It's cocked. It's not loaded. I'm gonna shoot it. I'm gonna shoot towards the pillows. I want you guys. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna shoot towards my my Hatsan case. Listen. Now I'm gonna shoot my Hatsan, and you guys be the judge. I think that Hatsan is quieter. I don't know why. Well guys. Well, this is Atavex signing off. Hatsan versus Benjamin Marauder. You guys have a good one. But remember, with a bigger pellet, it could sound better. Well, that's my review.